I was in a maths class sitting at my bench with a friend, and the teacher was teaching, obviously, maths. The teacher was teaching, and my mind was just wandering. I wanted to score full marks in maths. I told my mom I'm gonna score full marks in maths. But every time I sit in maths class or any class, my mind just wanders about the video game we've been playing, and I just couldn't focus. I just couldn't even think properly or listen properly. And I've done many things to try to solve it. And right now, I am at a point where I could I could literally focus for a lot of time. My mental health is a lot better. I could literally focus and work for 12 hours a day. No shit. Not kidding. That's how important meditation is, and it has genuinely saved my life. So this is the full guide to meditation, and it's not even difficult. I've done 6,000 minutes of meditation. I have, so you can trust me. I have done it. Step one: you have never done meditation in your whole life, or at least you have tried and you have failed. Step one: do not go for like 10 minutes meditation. Start with 10 seconds. That's right, 10 seconds. Just if you just breathe in and breathe out for 1 second and focus for only 1 second, that's progress, because you have never meditated in your whole life. Now, how meditation works is you sit down, close your eyes, you sit in silence, you breathe in and breathe out, and you focus solely on your breath. Now, as you are focusing on your breath, a thought will come in your mind. Step one, you focus on your breath. Step two, a thought comes in your mind. Now, many people think this is wrong, that a thought shouldn't come in your mind when you're meditating. That's completely wrong. Even monks, they have meditated for thousands of hours, and even they get thoughts. So getting thoughts is the process of meditation. First step, you focus on your breath. Second step, you get a thought. Third step, you realize you get a thought. Oh shit, I got distracted and I got a thought. Fourth step is that you come back to the meditation, come back to your breath and focus on your breath again. So that's one rep, one set. You focus on your breath, you get a thought, then you realize, oh, I got a thought, I got distracted. Then you come back to the thought again. That's how meditation is done. And that's your one rep of meditation. Now, this increases as time goes on. If you improve your meditation, like if you do for 10 seconds, then 20 seconds, 30 seconds, you will delay your thoughts. Like, thoughts will come, but they will come later in the round. Like, they will come late. One at the beginning, you will get a thought instantly, but when you have been meditating for a lot of time, you will get thoughts a bit later. So how you progress in meditation is you just increase the time and consistency. Now, what a, a bonus hack that I'm gonna give you is take a habit tracker and stick it up on your wall and write down meditation at the top, and at the left side write all the dates, like October 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 30, and stick it up on your wall. And even if you do meditate for only 1 minute, you get a tick, and if you don't, just cross it. And the point of habit tracker is that you see it on your wall, and then you feel the guilt inside you. This habit has changed my life. Start meditating. This habit will literally improve your awareness, charisma, and mental health, and there are millions of benefits. But the number one benefit is that it just genuinely improves your life. I could have literally been not here because of meditation. That's how powerful it is. This is a full guide, no bullshit guide to meditation. I hope this helps you. Take action. Don't get you. Scroll down right now and click subscribe if you want more videos like this. See you soon, bro.